tukaidana gochia ase county ya Nyamira nigo abasae ko bwa mono be kanisa ya Adventista baganda kanyora amaigerio ase eskuru ya bamure Nyambaria Boys ibyo korewa no mwalimu munebwe eskuru ya Chelsea Onyari asabaganda ko boli gwa baganda ko twara ogosemelia ase bira akora nabo go kwebwa tabya kuninjira ya moyo kwerobelia ase amagima amambia engineer James Kimoni oyoro yo mobo ase bali bakirana ase ekikari kigose ase omukutano uyo nigo anyara kabaga kobolia abasaye nabaro kwerobelia mono amangana age siasa ase okubwata ebibande asobonge muna enchera ya moyo kuchikonyora ngango twara baleri bagalia bene liyo kwenekia ase nsera anyara kabage kogenda asobochole bone bumwaka buchirubere na 2025 roboti uru rwaliganwa no muri kitofati ga December
Puna enchira eyemo yokwenekia buna ekegori egeke anene aborokiwa abobare asomutimoko asichinga cyabo ase etamu eyiga entangani okwenekia buna inkokini gwabare ase kemoika ase chikanisa kurase ekanisa ya Adventista nigo omoyega omonene bwokubayigeria abasae igoro ya maorokererio yekanisa nigo ogendrete gokorekana ase eskuru ya bamura ya Nyambaria abwase omwani omonene bweskuru eyiga Charles Onyari ababuririe abasae abaiga puna nerebuya kwegia chimbwa cha Kristo puna enchira eyemo yokworobya amagima abo.
Can you be like God who loves us while we are here? Go out loving one another. Can you just bond as youths of Nyamira? Such that as you go out, because this country depends on you, our churches depends on the youth. And therefore, please take time and pick something that can help you as you go out of this institution. And above all, remain in his house. Remain in his house all the time.
Ase omoyega oyoiga nigo omwana siasa James Kimoni oyo obwatobote asobugavana bwa Nyamira nionere abasemirie abasae abaiga buna nerebuya gukina ase kanisa naboigo asobogima bwabo tibabaisa gosiria ogosemeria ase
to copy my good example ondeta yo kweboro so botakaime ondeta yo takine ikanya sange tobasire tonyoro borabu. We have challenges in life. Use those challenges to overcome your journey to success.
Chingaki echecho nigo airire ribaga eriga na kweyakera ekoko bosyo bobochori obonene anene asamagani ariabwate gochase abasae
Kwa mwana siasa oyo tamaiti I'm one of the candidates who is going to stand for the gubernatorial position ya Nyamira in 2027. Moreta yale nija wana bamindu mumuno tali omaremu ekemoni nkeyo ekemoni ngebuata obotoereru no bole mukira komboy our youth from I'm aware of the struggles which many of us are facing, especially our youth in Nyamira and then nationally. Because we live in a dynamic world, you are not alone. Also, we uplift each other, we support each other. We need to partner, work together to ensure that you are the people at the forefront of decision making in our county, in all our sectors. Democracy ninu tenzi ninu nando moju kokera masakume nando to moju kona konyi moki kuchama kiyo yono mogo no light we kika bere mora imoki abatalere Nyamira ngimati
Inko reportera Getembe inche Fatigad Kisemba